Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing awesome. In today's video, I'll show you a quick way to change your character's gender in PUBG Mobile. So make sure you stick to the end of the video to not miss any steps. So let's get started with the video. First, open the PUBG Mobile app and log into your account. Make sure you are logged into your own account, otherwise you might regret it later. From the main screen, tap on the character. This will show your current character right here. As you can see, this is the current character that I am using. Tap on the pencil icon or edit button to customize your character from here. You can simply do it by going to your profile and using your pencil icon right here. You can change your character from anywhere or here as well. As you can see here, simply go to the inventory and here the third option allows you to change gender. As you can see, I am now a male. If you again click it, you will be a female. Switch to female. You will see options for male and female. Select your preferred gender, then confirm the changes. Make sure to save your character after editing so your changes take effect. And that's it guys, your character's gender is now updated. If this video helped you out, like, comment and subscribe for more PUBG Mobile guys. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.